Can AI be your child's next best friend, their learning coach, and their creativity booster all at once? With the rise of AI tools designed specifically for children, technology is transforming the way young minds learn, grow, and interact with the world around them. Today, we're diving into how AI is empowering kids to develop essential skills, fostering creativity, and making education an engaging adventure. Let's uncover what's possible and whether this technology truly benefits our youngest generation. AI for kids isn't just about cool gadgets or flashy apps. It's about creating tools that can adapt to each child's unique learning style, engage their curiosity, and help them thrive. Imagine an educational companion that learns alongside your child, offering personalized support and endless fun. That's exactly what tools like Miko 3, Osmo, and Duolingo for Kids are doing. Take Miko 3, for example. This friendly little robot doesn't just play games. It tailors its interactions to your child's age and interests. From helping with homework to telling bedtime stories, Miko 3 combines play with education seamlessly. And it's not alone. Tools like Osmo use AI to integrate hands-on activities with digital learning, bridging the gap between screen time and real-world experiences. Educational benefits of AI. Let's talk about how AI is revolutionizing education for kids. One of its greatest strengths is personalized learning. Unlike traditional methods, AI can adapt to your child's pace, identifying areas where they excel and where they need extra support. Imagine a math lesson that adjusts in real time based on your child's performance, ensuring they're always challenged but never overwhelmed. Interactive content is another game changer. With AI, quizzes, storytelling, and games become dynamic and engaging. Instead of passively consuming information, kids actively participate, making learning more effective and enjoyable. For example, Miko 3 can teach STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, concepts through puzzles and challenges, turning abstract ideas into hands-on experiences. For children with learning disabilities, AI can be a lifeline. Tools like ModMath help kids with dysgraphia solve math problems digitally, while apps like Speechify turn written text into audio, making reading accessible for those with dyslexia. These innovations break down barriers, giving every child the chance to succeed. Fostering creativity. Beyond academics, AI also nurtures creativity in ways we couldn't have imagined. One of the most exciting aspects is how it encourages kids to think outside the box. Tools like Osmo inspire children to create art that merges the physical and digital worlds, while AI-guided apps turn storytelling into an interactive adventure. Coding for kids is another area where AI shines. Platforms like Scratch and Tinker introduce programming concepts in a fun, approachable way. Picture a child creating their first game, guided by an AI assistant that simplifies complex ideas. It's not just about coding, it's about developing problem-solving skills and confidence. And speaking of problem-solving, AI tools provide dynamic challenges that stimulate critical thinking. From solving environmental puzzles to designing virtual cities, these experiences teach resilience and adaptability, skills that will serve kids well throughout their lives. Teaching life skills doesn't just teach academics and creativity. It also helps children develop essential life skills. For instance, emotional intelligence is an area where AI tools like Miko 3 are making strides. Through role-playing and mindfulness exercises, kids learn to manage their emotions, practice empathy, and navigate social situations. Time management is another critical skill. AI assistants can help children stay organized by setting reminders for homework or daily tasks. Imagine a child gaining independence as they learn to manage their schedule with the help of a friendly virtual assistant. AI also fosters collaboration. Multiplayer platforms encourage teamwork, helping kids build communication and cooperation skills. Whether designing a virtual city or solving group challenges, these activities prepare them for real-world collaboration. Entertainment and fun with AI. Of course, AI isn't all work and no play. It's also about making childhood fun and exciting. AI-powered games combine entertainment with education, teaching strategy, logic, and critical thinking. Imagine a game where your child solves mysteries using math and science, learning without even realizing it. Storytelling takes on a whole new dimension with AI. Interactive stories let kids influence the plot, sparking their imagination and making them an active participant. Picture a child becoming the hero of their own AI-guided fantasy adventure. And let's not forget music and art. AI apps like Simply Piano teach kids to play instruments step by step, while digital art tools help them create masterpieces. These technologies make it easier than ever for kids to explore and express their creativity. Concerns around AI for kids. While the benefits of AI for kids are impressive, it's important to address the potential concerns. One major issue is screen time. With so many engaging AI tools, it's easy for kids to spend excessive time in front of a screen. Parents can mitigate this by setting limits and encouraging a balance between digital and offline activities. Privacy and security are also critical considerations. AI tools often collect data to personalize experiences, which raises questions about how that data is stored and used. Choosing platforms with robust parental controls and transparent privacy policies is essential to keeping your child's information safe. Another concern is the potential for reduced human interaction. While AI companions can be engaging, they should complement, not replace, real-life relationships. Encouraging group activities and family time ensures that kids maintain strong social connections. Lastly, we must consider bias in AI algorithms. If the data used to train these systems is biased, it can inadvertently influence the lessons they teach. Parents should stay involved, supplementing AI learning with diverse perspectives and critical discussions. Final thoughts and benefits. Recap: AI is opening up a world of possibilities for children, making learning personalized, interactive, and fun. It fosters creativity, teaches life skills, and provides support for kids with unique challenges. By embracing these tools thoughtfully, we can give our children a head start in becoming well-rounded, confident individuals. It's clear that AI isn't just a trend, it's a transformative idea reshaping childhood itself. As we navigate this exciting future, keeping the focus on human-centric AI ensures these technologies truly serve our kids' best interests.